about it. Turn it around.
I have a feeling Ty might go in after.
Lisa, come over to this side. I don't think I'm going to make it across. Michael.
Really? Yeah, you guys can go over there.
You have to make it across. I don't think I
Maybe
can.
Sam.
You go under that.
You can play with
You got it. You got to go across or it doesn't count.
Yeah,
You're blocking my view.
You can push
the boat.
Hudson, Hudson, come here. No.
Okay, Mike. Wait.
Good luck, Mike.
Are you going to swim across or not?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. I'll go over here.
Take your shirt off. Take your jacket off.
Here.
You're
I need
freaking
it on the other
nuts.
side.
Sit down.
Look out!
They don't like us.
All right.
You're going to be in charge of
Mike.
the shoes.
It's like a boxing match. Take it off me.
Oh my God, you're nuts. Look at her.
Mike, wait. Mike, give us a flash. Wait.
Michael, do you like some kind of crazy yell?
Hold on, Mike.
Merry Christmas.
Oh my God.
He's ready. Give us the word. I don't think I'm going to make it across.
Push the
You're
boat.
going to get in the boat?
Michael, go. All right, some final words, Mike.
I've never watched it.
Help him make it out of this thing.
Do you should get up on the dock? Do you have a speech prepared?
No. Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy New Year.
Bye,
Mike.
Bye.
Go!
No.
Go! You should be on this side. Go!
Go.
Boo!
Oh my God! Michael, get out! Oh my God! Hey, Michael! Michael, go! Come on, down!